How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook Messenger application on your device. Make sure that you have first login. Now tap three-line menu icon at top left corner. Choose the gear icon at top right corner. Scroll down. And now choose the option to sign out at top of your screen. Now you can easily choose other account and sign out from your existing account. So this is the first way. The second way is simply you can reinstall the application. Simply long press on Messenger application, select uninstall button, tap uninstall to confirm and reinstall it. When you open it again, you will be logged out and prompted to sign in. Other way is simply you need to open Facebook app. Tap on menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and choose Settings option. And here tap on Account Center at top. Afterwards, select Password and Security and choose where you are logged in. Select your Facebook account. Then tap on Select Devices to log out. Then you can select all the devices and tap on Logout and log out of Facebook Messenger. So these are the several ways to log out of Facebook Messenger on Android and iOS. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.